Hi guys, welcome back. This is Nadine. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I was looking at YouTube videos last night and I noticed one of the questions that one of the YouTubers I followed put out there. And her channel is called Marriage and Motherhood. Her name is Gia and she's a mother and a wife and she has two beautiful little girls. And she was talking about how she watches these cleaning videos and it just shows these women with these immaculate houses. It's just like so clean, so perfect, and yet they're constantly cleaning. White kitchens, you know, the woman is usually fully made up and dressed like she's going out to dinner, you know. And I was thinking about that. And so I was reading some of the comments that people left, and so I was like, you know what, I think I'm going to do a video and just say what I want to say. And first let me say, this is not a collab or anything, you know, it's just something I just wanted to put out there. I hope she gets a chance to see this video, you know, just let her know that I just want to share my opinion. Now, if you've never seen these cleaning videos, it's usually like a power hour, speed cleaning, any type of cleaning videos, and there's always what she mentioned, Grow Collaborative, which is basically an online service where it's like an online store where you can order cleaning supplies, baby supplies, you know, all kinds of stuff, and they'll ship it to your house. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I use Grow Collaborative for the convenience, and I do like it, but my house is not like what you see on those videos. The reason why I walked up to this camera, so I want to show you what I'm wearing. I never have on makeup. I don't wear makeup. I only wear makeup when I'm going out for a special occasion. As you can see, I'm in t-shirts and cargo shorts and flip-flops when I clean. And my house it's an older house. It's not immaculate. I have 4 kids. There's no way my house can stay as clean as some of these, you know, YouTubers have. And so what I wanted to do was share with you what my laundry room, kitchen, living room, and foyer looks like. Now, I do clean. I do. I try to keep it clean, but there's some days it's just like a tore up mess. And if you ever watch my videos when I did a kitchen remodel, or just a DIY, I always say, do what makes you happy. You know, it doesn't have to be immaculate. It doesn't have to be Pinterest worthy. Well, to me, anything's Pinterest worthy because some people just want to see real life. And so that's what I want to do today. I'm just going to show you what my space looks like, and you know that not everyone has this perfect, you know, clean, spotless house. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start with my laundry room. I mean, look. It's not perfect. It really isn't. I mean, I did a video when I kind of revamped this whole space, you know, but I mean, look, I got a cane hanging there, Rubik's Cube, scissors, just pencils, you know, beach blanket that's not, you know, folded, put away. It's not perfect, you know, but am I happy? Yes, that's all that matters. Be happy. I mean, look, I got trash that needs to go out, you know, so let's just move over here. This is into my kitchen. Yes, there's Mrs. Myers. Yes, I use Grow Collaborative. I love Mrs. Myers. But look, just random stuff up here, you know. Yes, I clean it once in a while, but again, look, method, you know. It's not perfect, you know, it's not immaculate, but, you know, this is real life with 4 kids and a husband. Now, this is my kitchen. And now, my kitchen is white. It was brown, and I painted because it was so dark in here. I will link the video down below if you want to watch it. But, I mean, look, it's not perfect. I mean, it's clean now. This is clean for me. This is clean. You know, I mean, bottles, water bottles not put away. Again, Mrs. Myers. You know, dishes in the drainer. You know, it's not perfect. I mean, even the ground, you know. I mean, look, I got to sweep. Now, my pantry, I love my pantry. And again, not perfect, but I like it, you know, and it's perfect for me. But yes, this, okay, I'll admit, this always stays clean and organized. This always stay clean and organized. But that's just pretty much the only thing. But again, this is real life. I mean, look, I have dirty, burnt on pot holders. And some of these videos you watch, nothing's, you know, out of place. So this is the kitchen, you know, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do what makes you happy. There's my tripod stand. It's not supposed to be there, but it is. Stool for my YouTube videos. It's not supposed to be there, but again, it is. I have books out, you know. Now, my living room is fairly clean. You know, I try to clean every day. And some days I don't get to it, you know. And this is the foyer. I remodeled this. I'll put a link down below if you want to see the video. But again, look, I have boxes there, Michael's bag. Look, flip-flop. My daughter left her scarf on the floor. Over here, look, papers. You know, it's never going to be perfect. And look, let's just talk about my office. The office I share with my husband. I did a video probably like 2-3 weeks ago, clean this thing out. Look at it now. It's junky again. I mean, look at my desk. You know, again, it's real life. And, you know, just do what makes you happy. Don't feel like it's supposed to look like these videos where it's supposed to look Pinterest perfect, you know. Just do what makes you happy. Okay, guys, so you saw my house. It's not that bad, right? I just want to say thank you, Gia, for putting that out there, that question, you know, because there's people out there who's sick of seeing cleaning videos, and there's some people out there who don't mind it like me, and there's people who love it, you know, and, you know, who are we to judge, you know, about cleaning videos? But I just want to share my opinion in my home that it's not immaculate, you know. I mean, I can't say it can't be, but I'll probably drive my family crazy, you know. So I just do what makes me happy. I always say this to everybody on any video I do when I do a DIY. Do what makes you happy. It doesn't have to be Pinterest worthy, but to me, anything is Pinterest worthy. Because some people don't want to see the perfect white kitchen and everything's in its place. Now, some people want to see, you know, that's someone's real life, but my real life, no, things are out of place and not where they're supposed to be. But, you know, if everybody was the same, it would be a boring world. It would be so boring because everybody's alike. But, again, this is not a collaboration or anything. I just want to put my opinion out there, you know. And if if you like to have a messy house, I'm happy for you. Bravo. Just go for yours if you want a messy house. If you want a semi-clean house like I do, then hey, do it. You know, but I know me, I'm not going to try to have this immaculate, picture-perfect, clean house, you know, that looks like a museum that no one's ever touched anything in it. That's just not me. Now, if that's you, I commend you for doing it, you know, because it takes a lot of work and time to do that. But, I just wanted to share my video, just share my opinion about that, you know, and I just thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I have the hardest time saying that word. I don't know why, but you know what to do. Just either click that red button down below or just look for my face in one of these corners. Also, put on your notification bell so you know when I put up a video. And guys, until we meet again, have a very blessed day.